In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Google Chrome. Let's get into it. Okay, so before this video gets started, I wanted to explain what cache is. So cache is the place in your browser which stores images, fonts, and the CSS, HTML, and JavaScript website information. The point of storing cache in a browser is to make sure the browser runs faster because the data is already downloaded onto your browser. So this allows the browser to automatically load everything without downloading the information every single time. So to clear the cache out of your Chrome browser, you want to go to the triple dots in the top right up here, hover over More Tools, and then you want to click on Clear Browsing Data. So the shortcut for this is Control-Shift-Delete. So click that. So we're going to go to the Basic tab, make sure All Time is selected. We want to uncheck the first box and leave the next two boxes checked because these are the cache data. And then we want to click on Clear Data. So now when we go Control-Shift-Delete, our browsing data has been deleted. As you can see, it's less than 1 megabyte. So that is it for this video. If it did help, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. Leave a comment down below if you had any problems with this video, and I will do my best to help out. That is it from me. Peace.